What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to recover your permanently deleted Yahoo email account. So first off, head over to Google or any browser you like, type in Yahoo, and then from the Yahoo Mail, you can go to the help section or you can directly write help.yahoo.com. When you write that, you will be welcome to this page of Yahoo help section. Now, after that, click on Mail, and after clicking, you will see the option of Recover or Lost Deleted Emails. Recover lost or deleted emails, then click on it, and then click on Send a Restore Request. Now, from here, just specify your problem that what was the problem that your account was deleted or was lost, and when did you last see missing messages. You have to specify the proper time so that they can cope up with you as soon as possible. And you have to write the email address that you have access to, and then just check on this checkbox and click on create request. So this will send a request to the Yahoo team and they will connect with you as soon as possible. So that was all for this video guys. Thank you for watching.